In this video, we'll go over 5 health benefits of quail eggs, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. They improve your metabolism. A healthy metabolism can reduce digestive problems and help with weight loss. However, it can be very difficult to change our eating patterns or habits. Just adding quail eggs to your diet can produce visible effects to the time your body takes to digest food and to the quality of your digestive process. It is not easy to improve our metabolism, but changing habits can be essential. A high metabolic activity helps burn calories faster, promoting weight loss. Quail eggs are rich in vitamin B, which is proven to speed up our metabolism. Number 2. They promote bone strength. While the best-known nutrient for bone development is calcium, there are other factors to be considered. Amino acids, such as lysine, can be essential for long-lasting bone strength, especially in children. Along with other essential nutrients, these are found in high quantities in quail eggs. By adding this food to our diet, we are also filling our need for zinc and potassium. Through these properties, quail eggs are proven to reduce the risk of osteoporosis or bone-weakening diseases. Number 3. Help to speed up recovery. The presence of compounds in quail eggs such as minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins help speed up recovery. These properties are proven to assist damaged cells in their regenerating process. Also, introducing quail eggs to your diet after a common illness such as the flu or a cold can be essential in a fast recovery. The antioxidants in these eggs can be beneficial in curing small cuts or wounds. The compounds present in this food reduce free radicals and prevent infection. Number 4. They are beneficial to the respiratory system. The increasing air pollution and the stress derived from a fast-paced life can lead to a respiratory system malfunction. A higher number of children and adults are suffering from asthma and bronchitis. The antioxidants in quail eggs are an effective way to stabilize free radicals and avoid these conditions. While moderate consumption will definitely give quicker results, this food is essential to maintain a healthy respiratory system. Number 5. They help in maintaining regular sugar levels in the blood. Our diets are often sugar and fat-based, and this can create instability in the sugar levels in the blood. This can lead to difficulty in losing weight and more serious diseases of our digestive system. Quail eggs have been found efficient in regulating the sugar levels in our blood due to their low glycemic index. Studies suggest that introducing quail eggs, and their amino acids in the diet can help patients with diabetes to cope with the dysfunction. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.